How to create a resume in 5 minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. Sa mga hindi pa may alam, ano nga bang ilalagay? Saan ako magsisimula? Saan gagawin? Sa video na to, tuturuan kita paano gumawa ng resume in 5 minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. Tara, samahan mo ko at para matutunan mo kung paano gumawa ng easy tricks. Let's go! So, kailangan meron ka ng saved resume sa iyong cellphone or your computer. And then, copy, select all. And then, all you need to do is to open the ChatGPT tool in your computer or in your phone. Paste what we have copied in your resume. And then type, enhance my resume. I am applying for a recruitment lead position. For example, yun ang a-applyan nyo. Kasi yun ang a-applyan kong position. So yes, you need to tell ChatGPT what is the specific position you are applying for. Kasi yun yung i-create niya. And then, ChatGPT will organize all the information that you needed. And there you go. ChatGPT already created a response for me. It's a tailored and enhanced resume based on the prompt that I have created. Makikita nyo dito, there's a category for key achievements, education, languages, references, and professional summary as well. So here, merong additional recommendations sa ChatGPT. For recruitment role, I recommend changing your headline from global talent acquisition to recruitment lead / global talent acquisition specialist. Well, yan ang gagamitin natin para mag-create ng resume sa Canva. Then open Canva. Once you open Canva, dito sa search button, type nyo lang ang resume template. Then makakita kayo ng maraming resume template. So here I suggest mag-create kayo or mag-choose kayo ng resume na free lang para na-open nyo pa rin siya kahit wala kayong subscription. So, hanap lang tayo ng resume. And once na nakahanap na kayo ng preferred resume nyo, katulad nito, nung sa akin, ito na yung final na gagamitin natin. Pwede mo na siyang i-edit. We'll start sa image. Here, maglagay tayo ng professional image para sa ating resume. Ayan. Ita-drag lang natin siya papunta dun sa photo. And then here, edit ko na yung name para ipa-personalize ko na siya as is na ako talaga yung gumawa ng resume template. So here, I'll type my name. It's April Demandi. And then, drag ko lang siya. Ayusin ko lang yung position. Balik ako dito. Babalikan ko yung recommendation ni ChatGPT sa headline na ilalagay. So, here, copy lang. Balik tayo kay ChatGPT. And then, so, ipipaste niya siya dito kay Canva. I-edit niya siya. Yung alignment niya. Ayan, there you go. As you can see, inedit ko rin siya kapantay ng name ko. So, copy lang natin yung professional summary na generate ni ChatGPT. Palitan lang natin yung about myself ng professional summary. Okay, there you go. After that, i-paste naman natin yung generate na response ni ChatGPT as my professional summary. I-edit nyo lang din siya, yung alignment niya, kapantay ng text. There you go. After that, pwede ka na rin mag-alter ng iba pang information here sa resume na napili mo. And I will edit the contact details. And there you go. As you can see, yan, pag sinelect mo siya, pwede mo na siyang i-edit kung ano yung mobile number. Okay? It's 649757891 and then you can also edit the email and address as well. And let's assume na edit mo na lahat, and then let's save. Once you download it, makikita mo siya sa download section ng computer mo or sa mobile phone sa other folders. And there you go, your 5 minutes resume using Canva and ChatGPT. O diba? Ganun lang ka-easy. If you're also interested, I have a complete job application starter kit with 2 ebooks na mag-guide sa inyo how to win a resume and land your job faster. And that's it for this video, Manasis. Thank you so much sa pagtapos ng video na ito. Please follow our FB page, Pink Creations, and Golden Alphabet Pink 2.0, and also my TikTok account and YouTube account, Pink Creations. If you're interested to buy my ebooks and my starter kit, you can also comment down by. We have a free consultation sa lahat ng bibili po ng ebook and ang ating starter kit. Thank you!